C112496 and my friend.
My name is Jennifer Samakandi, C11249107.
Bye. Good morning, may I help you?
Good morning, I want to register for an admission.
Alright, may I have your name please?
My name is Jennifer.
Okay, Jennifer. What is your date of birth?
I was born on July 10, 2001.
What is your address?
I live at Jalan Melati number 12.
What is your occupation?
I am student.
Okay. What brings you here today?
I have a cold fever and I suffer.
How long have you had this symptom?
For about 3 days.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Okay. Alright. Please wait a moment. I will call you doctor.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
That's all from our video. Thank you. See you.